Did you know you can make personalized t-shirts, family pajamas, sports uniforms, tote bags, or even shoes in the Ignite Studio? You can, and a whole lot more. You just need iron-on vinyl, a Cricut maker, and a heat press, all of which we have available for you in Ignite. You bring the clothes. If you're brand new to this process, check out our YouTube channels for tutorials that will get you started. You'll begin by importing or designing something on Design Cricut software and sending it to the Cricut Maker machine. The machine does all the work by cutting out your design on the iron-on vinyl. You just peel away the vinyl around your design. Ignite sells Caesar Easy Weed iron-on vinyl in a variety of colors. Feel free to bring in your own vinyl. Just make sure it says iron-on or heat transfer vinyl, HTV for short. The next step is to take your vinyl and clothing into the Fab Lab here in Ignite and use the heat press to press the vinyl onto the fabric. And that's it. For a complete iron-on vinyl tutorial, check out our YouTube channel. See you in Ignite!